Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You open the Xbox guide now and go straight to Profile and System, then Settings. This gets you to the account controls quickly. Once in Settings, select Account and then Subscriptions so you can see the active Game Pass plan and its renewal date. Make sure you are signed into the correct Microsoft account. If not, switch accounts before proceeding. This step prevents accidental cancellation of a different subscription and prepares you for the next, more detailed steps. You highlight the Game Pass entry and press it to open its details. This lets you manage that specific plan. Then choose Manage and select Cancel to initiate the cancellation workflow. Follow each on-screen confirmation because Xbox asks twice to avoid mistakes. Once done, confirm whether a prorated refund or continued access until the period end applies, and check which payment method was charged so you know if future billing is prevented. This ensures the cancellation is precise and final. You complete the final confirmation prompts and then verify that the subscription status shows canceled or displays an end date. This confirms the process finished correctly. If the cancellation doesn't go through, sign out, reboot the console, sign back in, then retry Manage and Cancel. That often clears transient errors. If problems persist, contact Microsoft support and provide your account email, order ID, and console model so they can resolve billing or account linkage issues quickly and restore your expected subscription state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.